Hey there! Welcome back to Cash Collect, where I'll show you an incredible online side hustle that could change your financial game. Many are engaged in discussions about the transformative potential of artificial intelligence on the world and the business landscape. While this technological advancement can be intimidating, it also represents the most significant opportunities of our era. Before delving into the details of modern businesses, I'd like to emphasize the importance of dedicating at least 1 hour each day to study AI and comprehend its potential to disrupt various industries. Neglecting this aspect could result in falling behind in today's fast-paced world. With that in mind, today I'll present 3 business ideas that you can initiate without requiring specific investments or skills. I'll provide a step-by-step guide on acquiring customers and reaching a monthly revenue of $10,000 using these strategies. The first business opportunity is remarkable because it harnesses with an extraordinary tool that remains largely unknown to most people. I'll now guide you through the initial step. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to tugon.ai. Just to clarify, I have no affiliations with tugon.ai. It's merely a tool I've seen others use to generate over $10,000 a month. The beauty of this business is that you won't need to invest any effort. The first step, of course, is to visit the website and create an account. This account allows you to automate content creation for your clients. Essentially, you'll become a content creator for your customers, utilizing tugon.ai to consistently generate ideas and craft viral content for them. All you need to do is identify a viral YouTube video. Let's say, for example, a video from a remarkable individual like the future. You can watch this video for inspiration. Then, you paste the video link into tugon.ai and click on Generate Thread. The tool will analyze the video, extract the best ideas, and produce a Twitter thread. As you can see, it's capable of creating something truly impressive. You can further customize and expand your library of content for your clients. Now, let's discuss how to kickstart this business. Given that we've identified the service and a market demand, how do you build this business? First, you need to create an offer. An offer is essentially bundling value and assigning a price to it. Open a document and outline the offer you intend to provide. For instance, you could offer 20 Twitter threads, approximately 30 tweets, one per day. Along with strategy and consulting, offer $1,000 per month per customer. The potential here is remarkable. You can charge for $1,000, which is considerably lower than most competitors in this industry. It also requires virtually no time investment on your part, meaning you can potentially acquire an infinite number of customers. Realistically, securing 10 customers can easily help you establish a $10,000 per month business. Stick around until the end of this video, and I'll provide insights on acquiring customers and building this business successfully. The second business opportunity bears some similarities but also possesses a distinctive feature as it caters to an entirely different market. Furthermore, this venture falls within the agency sector, which translates to a substantial profit margins. The potential for significant profits exists, and the use of AI eliminates the need for you to engage in any of the actual work. Here's what you need to do. Visit a website named adcreative.ai, an exceptional tool for crafting highly effective advertisements for your clientele. Simply click on Generate Ad Creatives, create an account, and provide the logo, campaign details, and product you intend to promote. This action will generate a comprehensive range of advertisements for your clients, spanning across various platforms such as Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Instagram Ads, Instagram Stories, and more. The value proposition here is exceptional, allowing you to charge between $1,000 to $2,000 per month for this service, even though AI handles all the heavy lifting. You get to keep all the revenue because the cost of using this AI tool is minimal. To give you an idea of pricing, it's only $70 per month for 50 credits, meaning you could serve up to 50 customers for just $70. The third business opportunity represents a departure from the previous ones, entering an entirely new market that has been gaining traction, with some individuals making substantial profits. If you're inclined to invest slightly more effort for the potential of higher earnings, pay close attention to this one. Essentially, the most significant challenge faced by every business is acquiring customers. If you can find a way to help businesses enhance their conversion rates on leads, you'll directly boost their profits, addressing their most pressing issue, which means they'll be willing to pay you generously for your services. The advent of AI has opened up new avenues for businesses to significantly improve their conversion rates without increasing their workload. However, most businesses are not harnessing AI in their lead generation and conversion processes. This presents the opportunity for a new type of business, assisting businesses in utilizing AI to convert more leads. While it may sound complex, I assure you it's quite straightforward. Let me walk you through a couple of steps. Firstly, you'll establish a process. This process involves using Zapier to link their lead generation database with ChatGPT. You'll ensure that the leads include a LinkedIn profile. Then, you connect them using Zapier to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will review these leads' LinkedIn profiles using a tool called Phantom Buster. After this, you'll create a prompt that generates a personalized message tailored to the lead's background and profile. This personalized message will have a higher conversion rate than the generic messages businesses used to send. Previously, businesses had a database and sent random messages to people. With your automation, they can now send personalized messages that convert prospects more effectively. The difference between their previous conversion rates and the improved rates you provide will determine what they are willing to pay you. This means you could earn up to $10,000 or even $20,000 per customers. You can replicate this process for as many clients as possible. The beauty of this business is that once the system is set up, it will run automatically over time. You'll need to periodically adjust and optimize the messages for better conversion. But the core system will continue to operate, allowing you to reap the benefits. Now that I've presented you with these three business ideas, the next crucial step is acquiring customers. This is a question that most people are eager to address, and there are essentially four primary methods for obtaining customers. While the first three are widely recognized, I'll outline them for clarity, followed by the often overlooked fourth method. Number 1. Paid traffic. This is the most obvious method, involving paying for advertising and marketing to attract potential customers. Number 2. Inbound marketing. This encompasses all forms of organic marketing, ranging from content creation to daily networking with individuals in your sphere. Number 3. Outbound marketing. This entails outreach efforts, where you can proactively approach new people through methods such as email communication and direct messages. Number 4. Platforms. Interestingly, this is the lesser known approach, yet it has gained significant power in recent years. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are examples where you can potentially connect with thousands of customers. These platforms have become go-to destinations for online services. We hope you enjoyed the video, but now that it's over, what did you think? Leave your comments down below and don't forget to hit that like button. Also, click subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see more from us in the future.